ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈ రోజైతేనండి ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్లో మీకు కొన్ని ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్, మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ ముందుకైతే తీసుకొచ్చాను. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ప్రాక్టీసింగ్కి చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అయితే ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎవరైతే ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో ఈ తెలంగాణలో కానీ ఏ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లో కానీ ఎఫ్ఎస్ఎస్ఏ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళకి ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అయితే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడానికి. సో ఇప్పుడైతే వీడియో అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం కనుక మన ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నట్టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మన ఛానల్లో కూడా ప్రతిరోజు జెన్యూన్ జాబ్ అప్డేట్స్ పోస్ట్ అయితే ఉంటాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. తెలంగాణ స్టేటు, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ స్టేటు అండ్ సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఏ జాబ్స్ వచ్చినా కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపాయలు అయితే తెలియజేస్తాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎవరైనా ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళు ఉంటే యూస్ఫుల్ అనుకుంటే ఈ వీడియోని కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ అయితే చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో మాకైతే తెలుస్తుంది ఎంతమంది ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారు. సో మేము ఇంకెన్ని వీడియోస్ చేయాలో కూడా తెలుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సో అందుకే కామెంట్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోదు. ఎవరైనా తెలంగాణ ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్ కానీ ఏ స్టేట్లో పడ్డ ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్ రాస్తుంటే మాత్రం ఒక చిన్న కామెంట్ మాత్రం చేయండి. ఇక్కడైతే కనపడుతుంది కదా, FSSAI ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ స్టాండర్డ్ అథారిటీ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా లోగో ఈజ్ ఫార్టిఫైడ్ ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ సర్కిల్ విత్ F అండ్ ప్లస్ సైన్ విత్ రింగ్. మన సర్కిల్ ఈ ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ లోగో గురించి అయితే అడుగుతున్నారు ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసేపటికి స్క్వేర్ విత్ F అండ్ ప్లస్ సైన్ విత్ రింగ్ అయితే ఉంటుంది. స్క్వేర్లో మనకి F ఉంది, ప్లస్ సైన్ ఉంది, రింగ్ అయితే ఉంటుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇది ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్ లోగో ఇలా అయితే ఉంటుంది. స్క్వేర్ విత్ F అండ్ ప్లస్ సైన్ విత్ రింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Eat Right India movement is about eat healthy, eat safe, eat right and eat safe, eat healthy and eat nutrition, all the above. Answer A is the correct answer. Eat healthy and eat safe. Next question. Section 12 of the Food Safety Standard Act 2006 deals with function of Central Advisory Committee, Scientific Committee, officers and others employers of food authority, general principles to be allowed in the administration of act. Answer A is the correct answer. Functions of Central Advisory Committee. Next question. For fortification of wheat flour, the nutrient used are vitamin A and D, iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, folic acid, vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin A, iron, vitamin C. Answer B is the correct answer. Next question. Among the following, which industrial enzyme is not derived from animals? Trypsin, amylase, lipohydrogenase, chymosin. Answer B is the correct answer. Amylase. Next. FSSAI license or registration is not required for pharmacy selling health supplements, medical store selling nutritional products, unit selling packaging material, pulse grain milling units. Answer A is the correct answer. Pharmacy selling health supplements, they are not required FSSAI license. Next question. The maximum fortification of iodine in table salt as per FSS Act 2006 is 10 ppm, 15 ppm, 20 ppm, 30 ppm. Answer is 30 ppm is the correct answer. Next question. Processing of high pH food is done at restoring temperature, by superheated stream, boiling temperature, pasteurization temperature. Answer is pasteurization temperature. Processing of high food is done at pasteurization of temperature. The index enzyme in case of blanching of vegetable is polyphenolase, catalase, peroxidase, chlorophyllase. Answer polyphenolase is the correct answer. Next question. The vitamin which are lost most readily during cooking are vitamin E, niacin, vitamin C, thiamine, vitamin D, vitamin E, riboflavin and vitamin C. Answer B is the correct answer. Vitamin C and thiamine is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not a dietary fiber? Answer is pectin is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following essential fatty acids required for infants? Linolenic acid, palmitic acid, omega-9 fatty acids, propionic acids. Answer is A is the correct answer. Linolenic acid. Next question. A patient consuming 100 ml of soup containing 20 grams of carbohydrate, 5 grams of protein, 2 grams of fat and 70 ml of water. Which will the calorie value of this soup? So answer is 118 kilocalories. So our carbohydrate is 1 gram carbohydrate contain 4 kilocalories of energy. 1 gram of protein containing 4 kilocalories of energy, and fat containing 9 kilocalories of energy. సో అకార్డింగ్ మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకోవాలి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసేపటికి 118 కిలో క్యాలరీస్ పర్ మోల్. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసేపటికి 118 కిలో క్యాలరీస్. Botulism is a food-borne illness, is an example of food intoxication, food infection, food allergy, none of the above. Answer is food intoxication is a correct answer. The factor commonly used for nitrogen to protein conversion in food is 5.25, 6.25, 6.75, 7.25. Answer is 6.25 is a correct answer. Which of the following test is used for fat estimation? Iodine solution test, Bendick test, Burette test, ethanol emulsion test. Answer is ethanol emulsion test. This test is used for fat estimation. Next question. Dash is used as a preservative in meat products. Sodium benzoate, potassium metabisulfate, sorbic acid, sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate is used as a preservative in meat products. Next, HACCP management system in which food safety is addressed is based on number of principles. Answer is 7 is the correct answer. Which agency provide advice and support on levels of radionuclide contamination in foods and food irradiation? IAEA. Answer is IAEA. Next question. Which of the following is a maximum allowable dose of irradiation of inhibition of sprouting in white potatoes? 0.15 kgY. Next question. Dash is a beverage containing 10% fruit part and 10% total soluble solids. Correct answer. Ready to serve drink. Next question. According to Food Safety Standard Act 2006, unlicensed sale for food punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months and fine up to 5 lakhs. Monosodium glutamate is used as a artificial sweetener, flavor enhancer, anti-caking agent, cleaning agent. Answer is flavor enhancer. The monosodium glutamate is used as a flavor enhancer. As per standards of fortification of food, iron fortified atta with ferrous citrate or ferrous lactate, ferrous sulfate, ferrous fructate or ferrous bigluconate has following level of fortification per kg: 28 mg to 47.5 mg is a correct answer. FSSAI has a fixed limit for total polar compounds dash percentage beyond which the vegetable oil shall not be consumed as for cooking oil: 10, 20, 15, 25. Answer is 25 is the correct answer. Next question. Proposes maximum residence limits. Proposes maximum residues limits MRLS for individual pesticides in or on specific commodities. JMPR is a correct answer. Next question. The yellow mark of FSSAI is aimed at inculcating wholesome food habits at young age is a correct answer. So next question. A large-scale IT platform designed for food safety compliance through sampling and inspection is known as FOSCORIS is a correct answer. Artificial ripening of fruits ethylene gas is permitted up to concentration of 200 ppm, 100 ppm, 150 ppm, 250 ppm. 100 ppm is a correct answer. The recommended healthy ratio of SFA, MUFA, PUFA is 1:1.5:1 is a recommended ratio. 1:1.5:1 is ratio. The Food Safety Standard Regulation 2011 prescribes the limit of trans fat to be not more than dash percentage by weight in vanaspati: 5 is the correct answer. Which of the following water soluble pigment present in milk is carotene, lactoplavin, xanthophylls, chlorophylls? Answer lactoplavin is the correct answer. Next question. How many notice laboratories exist in sample analysis as per provision section 43 FSS Act? So answer 19 is the correct answer. Next question. Cholesterol free product should contain less than dash mg of cholesterol per serving. 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Maximum permissible limit to use sodium benzoate in squash and appetizer is 600 ppm is the correct answer. Next question. If an food safety officer under the act rules may be punished if she and without reasonable ground seizes any article of food and adulterant as per the section of 39 of dash FSS Act. Punishment may be penalty which may be extended up to 1 lakh rupees. The Codex Alimentarius Commission works with how many UN official languages? 6 UN official languages. TBT in food safety stands for total barriers to trade, technical barriers to trade, total barriers to transportation, technical barriers to transportation. Answer B is the correct answer. Technical barriers to trade. Next question. As per FSS regulation, the tolerance limit of insecticide hydrogen phospholipid in food grains is. Next question. Which country is regional coordinator for FAO WHO According Committee for Asia? China is the correct answer. Maximum level of mercury contamination in fish FSS regulation 2011 is 0.5 ppm by weight is the correct answer. Next question. Food Safety Standard Act 2006 containing dash number of chapters and dash number of sections. Food Safety Standard Act 2006 containing 12 number of chapters and 101 number of sections. Next question. Microbiological testing at various points in the cooking process of whole roast chicken to confirm the destruction of pathogens is an example of verification, correction action, hazard analysis, critical limits. Answer hazard analysis is the correct answer. Next question. Which section of Food Safety Act 2006 contains the establishment of Food Safety and Standard Authority of India? Answer section 4 is the correct answer. The World Trade Organization was established in 1st January 1995 is the correct answer. Next question. The food hygiene rating of FSSAI has a maximum score of 10, 100, 5, 50. Answer 5 is the correct answer. What is a term used for the amount of food additive which can be ingested daily over a lifetime without appreciable health risk? RDA is the correct answer. Next question. What should be the level of luminance in cooking section in a hotel or restaurant? 200 LUX, 300 LUX, 400 LUX, 500 LUX. 500 LUX is the correct answer. The provision of tolerance limit of pesticides, drug residues, antibiotic residues and microbiological count in food is in which section of the Food Safety Standard Act 2006 is? Section 24, 22, 21, 20. Answer 21 is the correct answer. Dash is a platform by FSSAI to promote food donation, stop food wastage and food loss in the country. Answer is the Indian Food Sharing Alliance, the Indian Food Saving Alliance, the Indian Food Security Alliance, the Indian Food Sharing Agency. Answer A is the correct answer, the Indian Food Sharing Alliance Group. Next question. Verification procedure to determine the HACCP program is working properly should not be conducted by the individuals responsible for performing normal monitoring and corrective actions is the correct answer. Irradiated food is marked with HACCP logo, FSSAI logo, RADURA logo, ISO logo. Answer C is the correct answer. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ గ్రే మోల్డ్ రాట్ ఈజ్ కాజ్డ్ బై ఆన్సర్ ఏ ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ బొట్రిటిస్ స్పీసెస్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ గ్రీన్ ప్యాచెస్ ఆన్ ద సర్ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ మీట్ ఈజ్ డ్యూ టు పెన్సిలియం ఎక్స్పాన్సమ్ ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఏ ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజం ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ ఎర్గాట్ పాయిజనింగ్ ఈజ్ ఆన్సర్ సి ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ క్లేవిస్ పర్పురా. Next question. In which of the type of chromatography the stationary phase held in a narrow tube and the mobile phase is forced through in under pressure? Coleman chromatography, planar chromatography, liquid chromatography, gas chromatography. Answer A is the correct answer. Coleman chromatography. Next question. The Kodak's illuminator stands are used by B is the correct answer. Kodak's numbers to protect consumers' health and ensure fair practices in food trade. Next question. Ribotyping is a method to identify and classify bacteria based on differences in rDNA. Under this category database, for which of the following bacteria have not been established? Answer A is the correct answer. Next question. The objective of ISO 22000 answer is establish food safety management system. Next question. Under FSS regulation, food authority shall consisting of a chairperson and members numbering 22 is the correct answer. In food analysis, real-time PCR tests are not used for which of the following? Detection of pathogenic microorganisms, detection of GM organisms, identification of allergens, none of the above. Answer C is the correct answer. Under FSS regulation, the desired quality of milk sample required to be sent food analyst is 700 ml, 600 ml, 500 ml, 250 ml. So 500 ml is the correct answer. Which of the following is not replaced in FSS Act 2006? Answer A is the correct answer. Consumer Protection Act. Next question. The first railway station to get Eat Right Station rating by FSSAI is Mumbai Central, New Delhi Railway Station, Indore, Chennai Central. Answer is A is the correct answer. Mumbai Central is the correct answer. So friends, this is the food safety officer questions. ఈ ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ బిట్స్ మీకు చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇలాంటి టైప్ ఆఫ్ బిట్స్ అడిగే ఛాన్స్ అయితే ఉంటుంది. ఈ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూసుకొని అయితే వెళ్ళండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. మీకు కనుక యూస్ఫుల్ అనుకుంటే మీ ఫ్రెండ్ సర్కిల్లో షేర్ అయితే చేసుకోండి. ఎవరైనా ఫుడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫీసర్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యారంటే జస్ట్ కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ అయితే పెట్టండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇవి యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతే మాకు మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ చేయండి అని చెప్పి దాని ప్రకారం మేము ముందుకైతే వెళ్తాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దీప్తి జాబ్ అప్డేట్ ఛానల్.